What is the greatest number of squares with sides of 2 cm that can be cut from a square with an area of 36 cm square? So first of all, we know that there is a square with an area of 36 cm square. So the area is equal to 36 cm square. So now we know that a square has equal sides. So that means something times something equals 36. So the length of one side times the other length will give us 36. So first of all, we want to know the square root of 36. So the square root of 36, which is the same number multiplying another same number, which is 6, because 6 times 6 is 36. So now that we know the square root of 36, what is 6? 6 is the size of the square. So this is 6 cm. And because we know that a square has same sides, so all of the sides are 6 cm. So this is also 6 cm. So now we're calculating the area, which is 6 times 6. Now 6 times 6 gives us 36. So we know that we're on the right track. So now it's asking for the number of squares. So that means they want to know how many squares there are in this big square. So to do that, because they said each number of squares with sides of 2 cm, so that means the sides of the squares are 2. So if we do, because 2 times 3 is equal to 6, that means there are 3 sections. So a square has equal sides, so that means so because each of the sides of the square is 2 cm, so 2, 2, 2. And if we add them all up, that gives us 6. So that is correct. So the same over here. The sides here are 2 cm, 2 cm, and 2 cm, as well as here, here, and here, and also here, and here, and here. So now it's not asking for the sides of the small squares. It's asking for the greatest number of squares. So if we just count all of them together, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 squares in this big square. So the answer is C.